Until I lost. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, like you saw on the description, I'm gonna be talking about my thoughts on the egg fast, my results, questions, basically everything that resumed my past weekend, and also, like I said, answering some questions that I received through personal message and other groups. But first, I'm not a medical doctor, I'm not a health professional. Please, if you want to recreate my recipes, if you want to do the recipes that I copy on Pinterest or on the internet and do it on this channel, or the workouts that I do, please consult with your medical doctor first. And remember, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, that way you can receive notifications every time I post new videos. Like we said in Spanish, vamos a lo que venimos. So let's start with the video. I don't want to do a long intro like the past videos. I know, but yeah, let's start the video. So I have the questions here. I'm gonna be reading them because I will forget. If you have another question, please comment down below. I will happily answer your questions, or if you have any suggestions for the future, let me know down in the comments. The first question is, did I lose pounds? The answer is yes. I did lose pounds. I'm gonna put my weight over here or here in a screenshot of my weight. I did lose when I weighed myself on Monday. I started Friday the 29th. Let me double check. Yes, I started the 29th and I weighed that day 207 pounds. When I finished my workout on Monday, on Sunday night, I finished my workout. So I did weigh I did weigh myself every single day to have like a log, or like basically a log on how many pounds, if I lose pounds every single day or not. So the second day basically of my fast, it was Saturday the 30th. I did lose 3 pounds and 4 ounces. I started in 207 on Friday. Saturday I weighed 203.6, so 203 pounds and 6 ounces. And Sunday I weighed 202.8, so 202 pounds and 8 ounces. On Monday, that was after I complete my 3-day fast, I ended up my weight was 200.8. So in total I lost 6 pounds and 2 ounces. Today is Tuesday. I'm recording this video Tuesday, the same day that I'm gonna be uploading this video. I did weigh myself to see if I gained any weight, because I ate normal yesterday. Normal meaning that I did my regular breakfast slash lunch and also my dinner. The difference was that I did like a protein increase day, if I can call it like that. I don't know if it makes sense. My breakfast yesterday, so yesterday my breakfast was like a protein cereal, from the cereal school. I ate 2 bags of that and 4 ounces of almond milk. So basically it was heavy on protein. And my dinner was basically wings from Wingstop and tenders. So basically it was really high on protein. My protein intake yesterday was 112 grams. Basically 112 grams of protein, 40 grams of net carbs, and 79 grams of fat. So basically was like I said, mostly protein is a little bit higher on carbs because, like my channel name, Keto No Keto, I do keto meals, but sometimes I don't. If I can say I don't, because the ketogenic diet is gonna depend on each one of us. Sometimes people cannot eat more than 20 net carbs. Some people cannot eat more than 25. Some people cannot eat more than 15. So that's why my channel is Keto No Keto, because sometimes I love me some carbs. Yesterday I went a little bit higher between the parameters. It was 40 grams because my snacks were a little bit high on carbs. I ate sunflower seed for snack. Also, I ate ice cream that has some carb too. The Rebel Triple Chocolate. Love that ice cream. I tried it yesterday for the first time. Oh my gosh. Also, I chew gum. Yes, I chew gum. It basically, yeah. And also the tenders has carbs because they are like panko type of breading or something. And also I ate some peanut butter cups. So it sounds that I ate a lot, but I didn't go over my my macros. Sorry, I got confused. My protein intake yesterday was 87 grams. 77 grams of fat and 40 grams of carbs. So I didn't go over on my fat because I'll try to stay under. My intake is supposed to be 101 grams of fat and I did 77 grams. So it sounds like I ate a lot, but I actually did not. And in total, today when I weighed myself to see if I gained any weight, I didn't gain any weight. To the contrary, I lose another 0.8 ounces. That I'm a little bit frustrated, not because to me the number on the scale matters, but it was 200 flat, and I'm looking forward for the Wonderland. So yeah, it's a little bit frustrating, but I'm gonna get there. I'm not in a rush. The time is gonna pass by anyway, so I'm gonna hit the Wonderland when it's supposed to. I'm not rushing anything. I think I touched base on a few questions in this past rant. The other question was water weight. So the scale that I have is called Inevifit. This is the brand, and the scale is called Eros scale. I'm not sure if it's correct. I'm gonna put the link down below. I have an Amazon store, so if you decide to purchase the scale, I'm gonna get some coins. It's just a percentage of the total amount, so it's not a lot. This is not sponsored from this is not sponsored from them. I did buy this scale with my own money, but I'm gonna put the link down below just if you want to check it out. So that scale measure obviously your weight, but also your BMI, your water weight, your I'm gonna put over here all the stuff that it measures. Let me look here. The subcutaneous fat also measure the visceral fat. That is the one that we have to be careful about. That's the fat that is in around your organs, especially on your tummy. This scale measure that, so I didn't see any major water weight loss. I knew, because to me this fast is more like a detox. I knew I was gonna lose some water weight because I was feeling, like I said on my previous videos on the Eggfast days, that I was feeling a little bit bloated because I was eating stuff that I was supposed not to, because I know that stuff get me bloated. But that's why I did the Eggfast, because I wanted like a detox. But I did lose fat as well. Fat I lost, so in total I did lose a pound 0.1 ounce of fat. So yes, I did lose some fat. Most of the fat was from the visceral fat. Is what it said here, or basically not most. Some of the fast, I'm assuming most of it, because it did increase from 17, now it's 16. So it was from visceral fat, the fat that I lost. So that's that's one of the reasons that I bought this scale, because it's not cheap. It's not 10-20 bucks, it's a little bit more. That's one of the reasons that I bought, because I want to lose fat. Yeah, I want to lose weight, but I want to lose fat weight. I don't want to lose muscle weight. I want to retain, or even better, I want to gain muscle weight. So that's one of the reasons that I bought this scale. Like I said, I'm gonna link it down below. The last question is if I'm gonna repeat this fast. Absolutely, yes, I'm gonna repeat it, but it's not gonna be like every week. No, I'm gonna repeat the fast when time comes. Like the past few weeks, I haven't feeling like a little bit bloated, like I haven't been behaving, because hey, stuff happens. Sometimes we don't have a lot of options, or we want to cheat. I mean, not cheat. Sometimes we want to eat stuff that we know that our body doesn't process like it should. So that's when I'm gonna repeat the fast. For example, my birthday is coming, so I know I'm probably gonna be eating some stuff that I know is gonna get me bloated. And if I feel like that, of course I'm gonna do it again. But only 3 days. I'm not passing the 3 days. I'm not going all the way to 5 days. No. 3 days to me is more than enough. I'm still feeling the benefits, if I can say that, because I'm still peeing a lot and I'm going to the restroom a lot. I suffer, if I can say that slow bowel movement, if you know what I mean. So with this, I'm feeling that I'm going every single day. So as soon as I start like feeling like that, really like sluggish, if I need to go and reset again and get on track, definitely I'm gonna do the fast. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Like I said earlier, please subscribe, ring that bell, and share this caring. See you next time. Bye bye.